Hello my wonderful lazy dancer, welcome to Lazy Dance Tips. I'm Alessia. I love December, Christmas is coming and we are all rushing around like mad. So today I've got ready for you a nice and calming dance flow, perfect for these mad times where everyone is trying to find the right Christmas present, rushing around, organizing things and parties and everything that comes with it. And I wanted you to feel nice and calm with this dance flow. Remember that last week I've said that there is a 10% discount on all the merchandise on the Lazy Dance Tips shop. So any of our t-shirts and mugs and anything you can think of, I'm going to link it down in the box below for you to shop around and maybe not rush around to find the right present for the loved ones. So remember, Lazy Dancer is the code and you just need to click on the link below and everything is gonna unfold in front of you. So if you don't want to waste any more time, I've given you the code, and if you want to start dancing, let's not delay, let's dance flow it. Here we go, let's relax. It's gonna be nice and gentle today. From here we're gonna take a step to the side, reaching up and over. Very good. Coming back and down. From here again, step aside, reach up and over. Almost like you're caressing the curtains next to you. And again, step up and over. Engage the core, float. Come back, very good. Step up and over. And up. Very good. From here, step again. Very good. Turn around. You're over here. We go lift. Down. Lift like almost little flying. Lift. Down. Lift. Down. Come back to the side. Coming back in. Very good. From here, other way. Step aside. Turn the bottom leg. Come up here. There we go. Lift. And down. Knee comes up. Float. And down. Very good. Float. And down. Float. And down. Come back. Come back in. We're going to do it again. One to each side. Float. From here. Turn the bottom leg. And we go lift. And down. And float. And down. Very good. Float. And down. Keep the chest up. Don't look down. Very good. Down. Up and over. Coming back. And in. Other way. Up and over. And turn the bottom leg. And go. And lift. Into flying. Up. And down. Don't look down. Keep on looking up. Or up and over that way, like you're looking over a balcony. Very good. Come back in. And down. From here, step back. Come back in. And back. And in. Very good. Back. And in. And back. And in. From here, step back. Point aside. Point back in. Point aside. Point back in. And side. And in. And forward. And other way. I got my legs mixed up, which happens every now and then. And up. And in. And out. And in. And back. Other way. And again. And down. Take your arms higher. Very good. like you're waving hello to someone. Very good. And in. Come back. Other way. I got this right. Now. And arms come higher. And down. Every time you point the foot onto the floor, no weight onto that leg, almost like you don't want to disturb the floor, yes? And in, and back, and down. From here we go up and over, touch the floor, and out, and up, and recover. Other way, down, and up, and up, and down, and down, up and over, and down, come back, and down, up and over, coming back. Stay down, head down, relax it down. From here, think of your shoulders going, rolling up, coming back down. Roll your shoulders up, come back down, very good. Roll, coming further, and down, and further, all the way. Coming up, and push down, and push the back, push down, very good. Like you're almost saying, you go, huh? You go, someone very teeny. And go, and push. This time, lift your arms, push aside, float it down, calm down, very good. Forward, up, push and lift, come down, and again, couple more times, down, lift up, push aside, come down, one last one, and up, push aside. You feel the weight of your arms really pushing, like you're pushing two walls to the side. Feel the energy, feel the tension. Very good. More, 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 more. Open the chest, coming down. Very good. Grab your leg, coming back down. Grab your leg, coming back down. And up, down, and breathe. And down. One last thing. Coming up. Hold it there. Nice and in control. Don't wobble. Don't move. Don't tippy toe. Breathe. Calm down. Big breath in. And out. And very beautifully done. I hope this has calmed you down from your busy life at the moment. Again, very well done.